Kovo Credit Builder Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. They think all credit builder tools are the same. But in 2025, with rising credit awareness and a growing variety of financial tools, choosing the right credit builder account can have a massive impact on your financial future. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Kovo Credit Builder account to see if it's a smart move or one you should skip. Let's start with the basics. Kovo is a fintech company focused on helping people build or rebuild their credit using secured credit strategies. The Credit Builder account is designed for individuals with limited or poor credit history who want to improve their credit score without falling into high-interest traps or hidden fees. But how does it work? And is it really worth your time in 2025? Let's break it down. Here's *** what you get with the Kovo Credit Builder account. ** 1. ** Secured credit line. ** Kovo works like a traditional secured credit card. You deposit a certain amount, which becomes your credit limit. This means you're essentially borrowing from yourself, which reduces risk while helping you establish responsible credit behavior. Unlike unsecured credit cards, you don't need a high credit score to qualify. 2. Credit reporting. ** One of the most important features is that Kovo reports your payment activity to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. This ensures that your responsible usage positively impacts your credit score over time. Most users see incremental improvements as long as they make on-time payments. 3. Flexible funding. ** You can fund your account with a lump sum or small recurring deposits. This flexibility allows people with limited income to gradually build a credit line without straining their budget. For example, depositing $25 to $50 per week can still grow your credit utilization history responsibly. 4. No hidden fees. ** In 2025, many credit building tools hide fees in interest rates or monthly maintenance charges. Kovo prides itself on transparency. While there is a small monthly account fee, it's clearly stated up front and significantly lower than many alternatives. You'll never be surprised by unexpected charges. 5. Financial education tools. ** Beyond just building credit, Kovo offers educational content on credit scores, responsible borrowing, budgeting, and how to improve overall financial health. For beginners, this is a game changer, turning an account into a learning tool that reinforces good financial habits. 6. Automatic payments and alerts. ** Kovo allows you to set up automatic payments and reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Missed payments are one of the biggest setbacks in credit building, so these tools are critical for long-term success. 7. Digital first platform. ** The Kovo app is designed for mobile-first users, offering full account management, credit score tracking, and goal-setting features. In 2025, the app is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to monitor your credit-building journey wherever you are. Now let's discuss ** pros and cons. Pros. Build credit safely. ** The secured nature of the account means you're not risking large amounts of debt, making it ideal for beginners. Positive credit reporting. ** Regular, on-time payments reported to all major credit bureaus help you establish or improve your credit score. Low fees. ** Compared to other credit building tools or traditional secured cards, Kovo is transparent with lower fees. Flexible funding options. ** Allows users with limited income to gradually build credit without large upfront deposits. Educational resources. ** Helps users understand credit mechanics and develop long-term financial literacy. Cons. Limited credit limit. ** Since your credit line is based on your deposit, growth may be slow. High-limit users may need alternative products eventually. Monthly fee. ** While low, it still present and should be factored into your budgeting. Digital only. ** No physical branches or in-person support, which could be challenging for some users who prefer face-to-face guidance. Consider ** real-world examples. ** Alex, a college graduate. ** Had no credit history. By starting with a $200 deposit, Alex slowly built a positive payment history over 6 months. By the end of the year, Alex's credit score increased enough to qualify for an unsecured credit card with better terms. ** Maria, Rebuilding after financial setbacks ***. Used Kovo to regain trust with lenders. The consistent reporting and on-time payments helped her credit score climb steadily, allowing her to secure a low-interest personal loan within a year. James, a gig economy worker appreciated the flexibility in funding. He deposited small amounts weekly, which fit his variable income and allowed him to manage his credit building without financial strain. Comparing Kovo to alternatives in 2025. Traditional secured credit cards banks like Discover or Capital One offer secured credit cards, but they often require higher deposits or have higher annual fees. Kovo offers a more transparent, digital-first approach with lower barriers to entry. Credit building loans products like self-directed credit builder loans report to credit bureaus but often tie you into fixed monthly payments. Kovo's model allows flexibility in funding and a more controlled borrowing experience. Other fintech apps apps like Self or Credit Strong provide similar services, but Kovo differentiates itself with lower fees and a more streamlined user experience, particularly for beginners. Tips to maximize Kovo Credit Builder 1. Make on-time payments consistency is key. Even small payments reported regularly can significantly improve your score. 2. Keep credit utilization low try not to max out your credit line. Using less than 30% of your limit shows responsible borrowing. 3. Use educational tools read guides and tips within the app to learn how your score is calculated and what actions have the most impact. 4. Monitor your credit score regularly check your score to track progress and identify areas for improvement. 5. Plan for future growth once your score improves, consider upgrading to unsecured credit products to continue building credit without tying up deposits. Security and reliability in 2025 Kovo employs modern encryption, two-factor authentication, and real-time monitoring to protect your account. Unlike some older credit-building loans, your funds are secure and your data is protected. If there's a payment issue, their support team is accessible via the app or online chat. So, the big question. Is Kovo Credit Builder worth it or leave it? If you're starting from scratch, rebuilding after financial setbacks, or want a simple, transparent, low-risk way to improve your credit, Kovo is absolutely worth it. If you already have a strong credit score and need higher credit limits or additional banking products, you may outgrow Kovo quickly and need to consider traditional unsecured credit cards or loans. In conclusion, the Kovo Credit Builder account in 2025 is a reliable, beginner-friendly, and flexible option for anyone looking to improve their credit safely. It combines secured credit, positive reporting, low fees, and educational resources into a single, easy-to-use digital platform. With responsible use, it can help you build or rebuild your credit, open doors to better financial opportunities, and teach you long-term habits that will serve you well beyond the initial account. For those looking for a straightforward and effective credit building solution, Kovo is very much worth it.